Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to update Free Fire normal. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily update your Free Fire application. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your phone settings. Now once you open your phone settings, just go to apps and notifications. Now once you go to apps and notifications, just click on application settings depending on the device that we're using. And once you click on that, all you need to do is to just click on the three lines or the three dots at the top right corner, and then click on show system. Now once you click on show system, click on search and then search for package installer. Now once you search for package installer, just open package installer and then click on storage and cache. Now all you need to do is to just clear cache of your package installer. Now once you are done, just go back to your applications over here, and then just search for so open your applications once again and then search for your Google Play Store. So just scroll, and once you scroll you can see Google Play Store over here. Now open Google Play Store, and once you open your Google Play Store you can see storage and cache. Click on that. Now once you click on storage and cache, all you need to do is to clear cache of your Google Play Store, and then do same to your Google Play services. So just go back and then click on Google Play services and then do same clear cache and storage of your Google Play services over here. Now once you are done with all these, all you need to do is to just go back and then open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, click on your profile over here at the top right corner. Now once you click on your profile at the top right corner, all you need to do is to click on settings over here, and once you click on settings you can see about. Click on about and scroll down and you can see Play Store version, so update Play Store. So click on update Play Store and then update your Play Store application to the latest version. Now once you are done with that, you can see network preferences. Click on that and you need to make sure it is on the first one. You can see app download preferences, so select over any network and go back. Now search for your Free Fire. So just search for your Free Fire. And once you search for your Free Fire over here, you can see the latest update of your Free Fire. So just wait for it to load. So you can see, click on it and update your Free Fire over here. So with this you can easily update your Free Fire to the latest version. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new